When using Server Manager from a privileged administrative workstation or server to manage multiple systems, you might encounter an unexpected failure that prevents one or more servers from being refreshed. The error message may read, "The computed response packet size exceeds the maximum envelope size that is allowed." It is a common issue when managing systems with verbose services, large event logs, or when querying detailed system configurations remotely. Fortunately, this is easy to fix. Open an administrative terminal or PowerShell session. On the local computer, check the current limit using the get-item commandlet, querying the WS-MAN Configuration Provider. You will likely see a value of 500, which equals 512 kilobytes. On a remote computer, check the current limit using the Invoke-Command commandlet. To increase the limit to 800 kilobytes, use the set-item commandlet followed by get-item to confirm changes. Likewise, increase the limit on the remote servers. Now, return to Server Manager, clear the errors, and refresh all servers. The error should be resolved. We can also set the registry key to achieve the same results. To increase the limit to 1000 kilobytes, use the set-item property commandlet followed by the get-item property to confirm changes. Increase the limit on the remote servers. Using the tried and true registry editor, we can set the max envelope size. Open Registry Editor and navigate to the local machine WS-MAN client key. Double-click the MaxEnvelopeSize value name. Select the decimal radio button and enter the new value. If the remote registry service is running, you can connect to the other system's registry from your administrative workstation or server. Click New, select Connect to Network Registry, and enter the target computer name. Unfortunately, you can only enter a single system at a time. While connected to the remote registry, modify the MaxEnvelopeSize value. Disconnect from the remote registry when done. I hope you enjoyed this video, found it helpful and informative. If you have feedback, corrections, or suggestions, please share them in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate it.